Alright, happy 4th, or happy late 4th of July, since this is going to be uploaded like 2 weeks after, or 3 weeks maybe. This is just going to be a running of my 3 garage doors. I don't think anything in here has changed. Everything's same as it was. So, yeah, I'll just run them. Start with this door. The light lens has stayed up, it looks like, which is good. And it is a little buzzy, but it's nowhere near as bad as it was. So we'll run it down. And the doors, by the way, are 9x8 North Centrals. Both of them are the same. Run the other one up. This one is quieter than the other one. Looks like this wall button has come loose kind of again. Let's run it. Yeah, that one's definitely much quieter. That hinge still squeaks. I have no idea what's making it squeak. Might just have to lube it again. Might just lube this whole door when I'm at it, because I'm not sure which one of these hinges is doing it. So, yeah. Alright, we'll go over to the Genie. Here's the Genie. It is on a 16x7 Clopay uninsulated door. I don't know what model it is, but it says up there somewhere it's a Clopay. And this thing is still fairly quiet. Let's give it a ride. I do apologize for any glare. It's starting to chatter a little bit again, but I can't say I'm surprised. I remember lubing my old Genie and Telecoat in the past, and the lube never lasted for too long. So I may end up having to lube this again by the end of the year, but it's still pretty okay as it is for now. Door needs to be lubed though. Yeah, not bad. Trying to think, because there was something else. Oh, one of the reasons that I adjusted the limit on this when I was here a couple months ago. So this was bending. This is just, it's pushing in a little bit, but that's just so it can kind of seal. And part of it is just it stayed bent from when it was bent before. But this one time I pulled the cord and it was stuck. Like I couldn't move the door at all. I had to climb up there and like pull out on the arm really hard. And there's like this huge bang, and then it is fine. And I mean, this door, the balance on it is really good. Stays perfectly here, halfway, and stays right there. I have been asked by a couple people what I consider a balanced door. I consider if it can stay a few inches above this point where the track meets, and then obviously if it can stay halfway open. so this is balanced pretty well. And even if like it stays halfway, like right about there, and then if you push it up and then it falls, I wouldn't really count that. Yeah, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and run this without the door. Let me just unhook the arm here. Just put it somewhere where I won't lose him. Just set him right there. Alright, here it is without the door. Very quiet. Yeah, this is honestly has got to be the quietest Genie screwdriver I have ever heard. So we'll run it down. Louder on the way down. And then I will rehook the arm and open it and leave it open because I'm pretty sure that they're going to want it open. So let me set you down here when I do that. Alright. Let it open one more time. Nope. Should probably engage the opener first. Let's try that again. Alright, and we'll just leave that open. You know what? I will do one more run on each 8165. And that's going to be it for this video because I want to get back inside where it's nice and cool because it's like 100 degrees out. Get the second door first. Not a fan of the encoder buttons. That's why. Also, by the way, the nylon rollers on these doors have been starting to make these weird clicking sounds. I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but I'm not sure if you can hear that, but they are making some weird noises. Alright, that's it. Have a good one.